All right, on number 2, it says, what is the scale factor that takes figure 1 to figure 2? Now, if you notice, all of the side lengths are diagonal, so we can't figure out the scale factor using the outside lengths. But what we can do is we can use the inside lengths, or straight up and down or side to side lengths. So if we look here from A all the way over to C here, that's 2 squares wide. Okay, now if we say take this same distance here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares wide. So what times 2? 2 times what gives me 6? Well, 2 times 3 gives me 6, so 3 is going to be my scale factor. We could also double check here. This is 3 lengths long. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So either way, you're still going to get 3.